British Gas make it easy to buy a new cooker or fire. One, special trade-in deals mean you get a good price for your old one. 2, 10 months interest-free credit makes paying easy. And 3, delivery and fitting's easy because it's included in the price. So call into your one-stop gas shop.
Life without O.
Hell. Hell, hell, hell. Hell. Hell.
Hell.
Hell.
Hell, hell, hell.
Hell.
Hello.
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 Hello. Oh, hello. Oh.
Hey, Lieutenant. One for the road, Robinson?
Yeah, why not? I know a bar in 34th.
Reminds me of my early days back in Cork. Friend of yours?
Grew up together.
You know, when I was a kid in Ireland, people used to pass the time of day. Your front door was always open. And your neighbor was also your friend.
Come on, pal, stay in line.
Hey, wait a minute. Get on this street. Oh, you heard somebody. Can't you see the road?
Hey, Joe.
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Evening, Pat. Ina Murphy's for myself. And meet my new buddy, Robinson.
Usual, Mike? The usual, Pat. And put it on my tab.
Why, you son of a gun.
We're very sorry about the sound on the Star Chamber. We'll try to get it back to you as soon as possible. Please bear with us.
His rights, all of them.
And then what happened?
He confessed.
We apologize for the loss of sound at the beginning of this film.
Morning. Now, you get 3 weeks holiday, half an hour for lunch, and you can start on Monday, but you don't get a pension.
I have already pension, senor.
Ah, you have an annuity.
It's very annuity. I only got 3 months ago.
You have a fund?
It's no fun. It's serious.
Just understand.
No, I understand everything, senor. I go to Halifax Building Society. See nice lady? She explain everything of pensions to me. It's very simple. No surprises. They're also doing insurance.
Halifax Insurance and Pension Service. Our expertise is understandable.
Happiness is a cigar called Hamlet. The mild cigar.
How do we all do it? How do they do it all? Won't somebody tell?
Dive
Head down to Do It All and you'll see how easily you can modernise your bathroom. From baths, sinks and showers to finishing touches like towels and blinds. Free Do It All how-to leaflets and all kinds of designer tiles. Do It All can supply you with everything, including the ideas.
You won't believe it till you do it. I do it all, do it. Then you can bet you'll be doing it as well.
Ice cream like there's never been. Real cream double churned for a smoother, more creamy taste. Soft caramel and the thick, real milk chocolate of Mars. It's the new Mars ice cream bar. You can't improve on a Mars, but you can improve on ice cream.
This new man, or green, flying in from Berlin, isn't he?
Driving, actually.
Driving?
Yes, it's his new car. Rover 400, I believe. He was quite insistent.
Troublemaker, is he?
Well, hardly. Berlin was sorry to lose him.
Oh, you mean the business with...
That was him, yes.
I see. Rather a sudden decision to bring him over, wasn't it, sir?
Not really. We've had him in mind for some time.
Do you think Green will fit in with the locals, sir?
Oh, yes, I think so.
But will he fit in with ours?
I don't think you should worry about that, Simmons. A lot of changes going on around here. I'm all for change.
The new Rover 400, from around £9,500.
Here's a great haircut.
Oh, yeah.
Picture my interview. There's Stark White offices, my new dress, a new cut. Well,
Picture this. There you are in their Stark White offices with your Stark White flakes.
dandruff?
Itty-bitty fashion no-nos.
But I shampoo every day.
Yeah, but with a regular shampoo. Try this.
Head and Shoulders.
I use it.
Yeah, but you don't have dandruff.
Bingo!
Head and Shoulders, because you never get a second chance to make a first impression.
Ancient Greece, where Homer sailed the Aegean and worshipped the gods. Now Sharon flies in from Luton and worships the sun. And if you're cooking in Greece this summer, a word about your plastic. Will it give you a certain kudos in Mykonos?
Λυπάμαι, δεν δεχόμαστε στην κάρτα.
Will it take you skiing in Skiathos?
Όχι, με συγχωρείτε, δεν δουλεύω με αυτή την κάρτα.
The fact is, Barclaycard is welcome at thousands more places under the sun than certain charge cards I could mention. And now, the throwaway ending.
Take a Barclaycard. Over 6 million places do.
A round of golf will wake you up, they say. But it's Kellogg's Fruit and Fibre wins the day.
Crunchy whole wheat flakes and fruit are just the thing.
So it's quite the most important thing to bring. Apples, hazelnuts, bananas.
Raisins, coconuts, sultanas.
Now my breakfast's really going with a swing.
They're on their way to Perth now. Runners are being brought into line. The runners down as orders and Jacob Suffix goes the break, closely followed by Fibre. Moving up strongly on the stand side is most likely James Bobby Bay. Inside the final furlong.
Did we win? Did we win?
Probably.
Beautiful skin requires the most delicate touch. So we've made our moisturizers lighter. They're easily absorbed, helping skin stay younger looking.
On Sunday, Sergeant Lewis is on the receiving end of some antisocial behaviour.
2 cracked heads in how many weeks?
Yeah, all right.
He must have a skull like an anvil. You take the office. I'll try and talk to his partner. You will be all right on your own, won't you, Lewis?
Paul Lewis is the butt of Inspector Morse's humour. Sunday at 7:45 on HTV.
Jake and the Fat Man kickstarts nightclub into action tonight after You Know What.
It comes every day. I just can't guarantee when. It's a temperamental ghost. You're not the Headless Baron.
No, I'm from Barclays. I think I may be able to help.
Yes, I think you might.
You see, with an unreliable ghost, it may be better to offer weekend breaks rather than hourly visits. And with a flexible loan, you could develop accommodation and even catering.
Let's discuss this in my office.
If you're running a small business or thinking of starting one, talk to Barclays.
My kind of gum, Wrigley Spearmint gum. For me, it's the chew, it's my number one. So minty cool, through and through. It tastes so great, you'll just love to chew it. Tastes so great, you just love to chew it. Wrigley Spearmint, it's the one. Cool, fresh taste, share it with someone. So minty cool, through and through. It tastes so great, you'll just love to chew it. Tastes so great, you just love to chew it.
John Smith's Yorkshire Bitter knocks spots off ordinary beers. Say thank you with Cadbury's Roses.
Well, if this doesn't impress her, wait till she tries the Sun Valley Chicken Kiev. Always fresh, never frozen, and no artificial additives. Bake for 20 minutes, and this tender chicken breast lightly coated in crisp breadcrumbs and filled with fresh garlic and parsley butter. Make yourself scarce, Morris. What? She phoned and cancelled? Well, I've done Sun Valley Chicken Kiev for 2. All right, Morris, you'll do.
Chicken Kiev, another fresh taste from Sun Valley.
For sale, weekend home with views across the South Downs and the Yorkshire Dales. Excellent sailing and golf. Hot running water, cold running water. Good fishing, home cooking, friendly neighbours, large back garden. When you own a caravan, great weekends and holidays are round the corner. Just get up and go. For a free guide, ask your dealer.